Hi and welcome. Three things you need to do with your money. Get into a room, get into certain rooms only that will give you a whole different lifestyle. That will change your life. So, here are the three things that you will need to do with your money: information, access, and assets. So, what do I mean by that? So, information, you need to accumulate as much information as you can, but not just to take and have information. You need to act onto that information that you are accumulating. Act on it, because everywhere you are willing to go or where you want to go, you have to have knowledge. You can never get to anywhere without you having enough knowledge. It's like that's why we go to school, is to have knowledge. So if you're willing to work on starting your own business or whatever, you have to have so much information about it, because then when you are now ready to act on it, you have enough information to go by and lay out your foundation, right? So have enough information. Stay up all night if you have to work on your dream, okay? And then access. Who do you have access to? Who are the people in your gang? Who are the people that you can reach out to that will give you that information that you want? Who is your access? Who are you listening to every day? Who are you learning from every day? So when you get into certain rooms, that will open you up to have access to people who are where you want to go. So that's why it's so important, I find it, to pay to attend certain webinars, seminars, to get myself into that room, right? I qualify myself to get into certain rooms. And so be it, if I have to pay for it, so what? The information and the access and the people, that the relationship there that I will have from being into a certain room, will be a life-changing thing. So don't be afraid of paying for your freedom. Don't be afraid of that. And assets. Oh, that's a big one. So things are different, things are changing. And if you don't have any assets in your portfolio, honey, trouble. I find that very, very big trouble. Assets could be anything, right? Anything that you want to add on to, because you can never just rely on your income. You need to invest in silver, gold, Bitcoin, anything else, real estate, anything that you can afford. Just start small, because like for me, I've started with silver because it's easy and accessible. I can afford silver at the moment, right? Gold is not that far off. That's my next step. What are you adding to your portfolio? What are you adding to make life really different for you? Right? Now we gotta start thinking out of the box, because we are going and we don't know where we're going, but you gotta get yourself ready. So that's why these three things really, really help you, because when you're doing your research, going out there, meeting with people, you will take in all sort of information that will really empower you, and that's what you want. You want that for yourself, okay? Information education is added to your wealth. See, you adding to your wealth is all about adding to your wealth. Because I find YouTube as a really, really good source to learn, because I'm always learning. I'm fitting my brain. I'm educating myself every day, every day, every day, from other people who've been there before me, who knows better before me, who knows what I'm willing to sort of learn. What are you doing for yourself? So you gotta ask yourself these powerful questions. How can I improve myself? Like every day, there's no stopping, because now it's a necessity. Where we are now, it's a necessity for all of us to be more and to be better, and to really want to do things that we wouldn't normally do. Okay. So why do you have to pay for the room? Why do you have to pay, let's say, pay 10 grand if you can afford that, or even a grand? So pay, sort of invest in yourself at your level. So roundabout now, I can invest in myself in a room of £200, 3, 4 to £500. If I have to pay that much money, even £1,000, to be in a room, I'm willing to do that. So now when you say that to some people, it's looked up, frowned upon, like you are wasting money, but people fail to see the bigger picture of what is it? What is the value of you being in there? Because as long as you know what you will get out of it and you are willing to act on it, boy, you will make a heck of a difference to your life, right? So invest at your level. Even if you're investing £100, 50, £10, whatever, you gotta invest, even if that's buying a book. But get yourself in those rooms. It's really important, you guys. You can never underestimate that, because the conducts that you will take from that will be amazing. And be willing to take in, because now remember, take in that information and use it. Because here's the thing. Most of us, we are the last hope for our parents. I'm the last hope for my mom to feel comfortable, to be comfortable, to be a whole different person. I'm the last, that's how I'm looking at me. I'm the last chance of that. So my mom is old now. She can't act and understand what is going on around the world, but it's my responsibility to go out there and give her the best life she can have. I've taken up upon that. That's my responsibility. And I just don't want her to live a wishy-washy lifestyle. I really want her to have the best. Because there is giving money and then there is giving freedom. Because I don't want my mom to worry about paying rent, to worry about buying food. No, that is my responsibility. And for me to be able to afford that for her, to have that peace of mind, I have to work and do things that are really out of my comfort zone. And you have that. That's your obligation. You have that responsibility. Right? At least they fed you for the 15, 16 years of your life, up to now, some people. But you gotta take up, give your mom freedom. Because most of us, what we do now is we're hosting our families hostage. We are tying them up. Right? We are. And we are the people that can give them that freedom. But because we're not acting on it, all we see is misery. Everybody, we are all in the same nutshell. We're all not going anywhere. And that is a crime. Guys, we cannot do that. We are the people that have to be the different. We are the people where people will say, oh, actually, this is doable. Be the person that people can look up to and aim for and want to be like, for the good reasons. Yeah, is that making sense? Because I believe that we can be that change only if you want to be that change. So please share this video with other people. Let us really start. You gotta start small. You gotta start somewhere. Yeah, start small, start somewhere, and be the change you want to see in your own world. Never mind the whole big wide world, never mind that, but be the change here and now. You are that person. Be that. Be the change that you want. It has to start within the mind, and that is you empowering yourself. Get yourself out in those rooms. That's the only way we will be able to be more and be better. Get yourself out there. Take a chance on you, for goodness sake. And I'll say, work on you. Aim to be better than you were yesterday. And before you know it, you are a whole different person. But you've got to put the work in. Put the work in. And you will get the fruits before you know it. You are on a whole nother level. And go out there, chase your purpose. Please chase your purpose and don't be afraid to take a risk on your own well-being. Nobody else is doing that. We are seeing that every day. Nobody's doing that for you. You have to take that chance on you. So go out there and chase your purpose, chase your freedom. Now, punch fear in the face and just go for it. Go for it. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.